Yes. Okay. We are going to see it here is actually that you want to store this data there here. You are going to store in a local devices are mostly there. That is happening in the legacy systems. That is about the infrastructure. We know it already there here is. And if you come to the softwares in olden days, if you want to use any software, okay, in your company, for example, you are the business person. Please mute everyone. Okay, you are the business person that you want to use a software in your business process. Okay, to do some automation in your business process, you're using the software there. If you want to use that software, actually you yourself in your company have to develop the software there. Are you getting? Okay, I'm saying about the software side. Just before we discuss infrastructure side there, right? Now we are discussing from the software side. So you have to develop your own software. You have to take that life cycle, a total life cycle there, and finally you have to implement it here. This, and finally you have to use the software in your company. That is happening in the legacy systems there here. Are you getting? And another thing is there coming to the platform size there. Platform. Okay. First infrastructure, I'm saying it here is okay, and the infrastructure. Second thing is there a software side here, software, and the third thing is there here platforms there. Platforms there. Okay, suppose you are a business person that you want to use a platform. If you want to use platforms there, right? The platforms are there in some other country. Okay, the vendors are there here. They are the owners for the platform. So you would like to use that platform in your business process, or that you want to create a new applications by this platform. At that moment, you need those platforms there. At that time, you are going to other countries. You are going to have the conversation with those vendors, and you are going to buy that platform there. Again, you are coming back and you started your a business a process on creating the application there. So that's a huge process actually on taking the platforms from a third party vendors there. Are you getting? So these all are the legacy systems that actually time taking, time consuming. Are you getting or not? And even if you want to store the data, you cannot guarantee that once the device is crashed, you are going to lose your data there here. Are you getting? And coming to software here, it is taking to do the entire process. It is taking 2 or 3 years of time there, right? Okay, in between, what is happening there? The client's business may increases rapidly or may decreases there. Whatever the software that you developed for the business process may or may not fit for the business process actually here. So that is also happens there. Okay, so to overcome this, all will comes under the legacy systems there. Okay, infrastructure and the software and the platform all will comes under the legacy system there here. Okay, to overcome the situations of these legacy systems, cloud computing technologies came into existence. Okay, cloud computing technologies came into existence. What is that cloud computing technology actually? Okay, we need to understand what's the meaning of the cloud computing technology. Cloud means here remote. Computing means in the sense here we can say calculations. Calculation in the sense many things are there under the calculations like storing, editing, updating, deleting, okay, capturing, retrieving. All these operations are nothing but the computing we can say. So we are doing these computings on the cloud. On the cloud means cloud in the sense here remote. Okay, you don't know where the server is actually located. The vendor is the owner for that cloud. Are you getting? They are maintaining the cloud in that cloud in that remote servers. They are storing softwares. They are storing platforms. They are storing any other infrastructures like servers. Okay, storage areas. Are you getting? Number of things are there here. They are going to store in that remote server. That is nothing but the cloud computing. They are ready-madely available there. Are you getting? But in this legacy, it's not like that. You need to prepare, you need to develop, you need to store, you need to buy. Many things are there here. But in the cloud computing, it's not like that. Ready-madely softwares are available. Ready-madely platforms are available. Ready-madely infrastructure is available in the cloud. Okay, you are the business person that you want to access those, softwares, that you want to use those softwares. Just you need to take the subscription and you need to use it here. Just you need to use it. That's all. Are you getting? Means they are already ready-madely available there here. That is that with the cloud computing technologies. Are you getting? They are nothing but the cloud computing technology. Simply, if you want to say it, what the meaning of the cloud computing means here? Okay, Siemens already softwares, platforms, and infrastructure is already available from the cloud. From that cloud, you can use those. Are you getting or not? That is the meaning. Means they are going to deliver from the cloud to the clients. That may be software that can be delivered from the cloud to the clients. Okay, that may be infrastructure. Okay, that is going to deliver from the cloud to the clients. Okay, that may be platform that is already available in the cloud that is going to deliver to the client. So ready-made all are available. They are going to use it. Are you getting? And the clients are the business persons are the stakeholders. We can say number of names you can provide that. Okay, they are going to use it and ready-madely, and they are going to leave it if their work is finished. Are you getting? Just they are taking rental base. It's a tenancy product. Means totally we can say that it is depending on the multi-tenancy architecture. Multiple clients can access it, can use it, okay, and they can pay monthly rental on the uses of the softwares, on the uses of the platforms, and the servers, and they are going to close it. Are you getting me? That is nothing but the cloud computing technologies there. That is nothing but the cloud computing technology. We can say it here. Simply that you want to say it here. This, okay, the meaning of exactly the meaning of the cloud computing is that's the meaning of it. Okay, hello. Did you understand what I'm trying to say, guys? Can you hear
Yes,
me?
yes, sir. Yes, sir. I understand, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
that is nothing but the cloud computing technology. Exactly that you want to say it is. Okay, and if you want, we can define it here. If you want, if you can define it, what is exactly the meaning? The cloud computing technology definition. You can take it here, if you want here this. Okay, cloud computing is nothing but it is a delivery actually, right? It is a delivery of what you can say. It's a delivery of the computing services. Computing services there. Computing services. What are the delivery of the computing services? Simply we can say it's like storage, okay, or we can say a storage, networking, okay, or we can say softwares, or we can say any other thing, databases, okay, servers are the database. You can call it this, or we can say some analytics there. Analytics, are you getting? Analytics. And another word that you want to take it here is storage is done already there. Here database is done here, this networking, and some other things we can say intelligence. We can say that intelligence. Okay, intelligence. Okay, they all are going to deliver their hits. They all are going to deliver their hits. That's the meaning of this. Means delivery of the computing services, right? Okay, this all can be delivered, okay, over the internet. That is important here. Okay, over the internet. Over the internet here. Okay, delivery of the computing service over the internet. Over the internet. That is nothing but the cloud computing. Okay, that is nothing but the cloud computing there. Simply that you want to understand the meaning of exactly the meaning of the cloud computing is deliver the computing service like they can deliver the storage, they can deliver the softwares, they can deliver the networks, okay, networking, they can deliver the databases there. Any analytics, analytics means reports and dashboards, the data related to that. And the artificial intelligence, Everything will be delivered, okay, over the internet. Okay, before they deliver, they already stored in the cloud. They already stored in the remote servers there here. That is nothing but the cloud computing technologies there here. That is nothing but the cloud computing. That is nothing but the cloud computing service. We can say it here. Are you getting me? Okay. Now, if you understand exactly the meaning of the cloud computing services here, okay, if you understand exactly the meaning of the cloud computing, it is very easy to understand a Salesforce thing. It's very easy to understand Salesforce there. Okay. Look at man. What's the meaning of the Salesforce? What is the meaning of the Salesforce? See, man, Salesforce is also a cloud computing technology. Okay. And we'll see. Before we start that, the meaning of the Salesforce, we have two things that we need to understand there. One is, okay, on-premise. Another is on-demand. That we need to understand here. What is on-premise? What is on-demand? We need to understand. What the on-premise means within the premises, within the local hits. You can take any software, right? You can take any software. For example, I'm saying you can take one software there here. And for example, I'm a owner for the software. Okay. Name of the software you can say it here is, I can say MS Office. MS Office is the software, for example. Okay. MS software is there. I'm the owner for the software here is. As a owner of the software, okay, I'm going to give the software to my customers. I have the customers like this. How the customers are there? Different customers are there. Some customers are using laptops, and some customers are using tablets. Okay, are you getting tablets? And some customers are using desktops. Are you getting? Okay, and some customers are using mobiles also. Look at me. Try to understand there. As a owner of this software, myself is the owner. Okay, I sold out the software to some of the customers who are having the desktops, who are having the laptops there. Okay, because they are having the Windows operating system. So that what they can do, they can install my software because they paid me some amount there, and they are going to install my, they are going to download my software. Keep in your mind the points there. They are going to download my software there. They are going to install my software. Okay. Are you getting? And they're going to install in laptops as well as the desktop areas. Yes, they're using it. But coming to the tablets and the mobile devices, they cannot install it here. It is not possible because tablets and mobiles are not having the Windows operating system. It's not possible this. So, as a owner of this software, I'm not going to satisfy every device customer. I'm not going to satisfy every device customer. Then it's not possible. Are you getting me or not? I'm going to satisfy only laptops device customer, and I'm going to satisfy only desktop device customers there. But I'm not going to satisfy, okay, tablets customer. Tablet use means those who are using the tablets there. I'm not going to satisfy mobile device customers there. Okay. If you are not going to satisfy every device customer, if it is used within the premises only, that will comes under the on-premise. Okay, no doubt, cloud computing will never comes under this, okay, on-premise system. Are you getting? Now coming to the on-demand. What's the meaning of the on-demand? Again, I'm a owner for one more software I'm taking there. I'm taking the Gmail. Okay, I'm a owner for this software. Are you getting? It is a software there. Are you getting? And I have some customers like this. The same thing we can see it here. This. Okay, I have the customers like this. Okay. Look at man. One more point you have to keep in your mind. Here in the on-premises, okay, the customers are going to download my software and they're going to install my software there here, and then only they can use it. Okay. I'm coming to another point here. What is that point here is? That is, okay, what is this? On demand. I'm a owner for this Gmail, actually there here, and I'm going to give my software to the device customers, like you can say laptop and the desktop and Cman. Here in this case, There is no scope because on demand, look at here, it is a cloud computing means no need to go for downloading and installations there because they're already having they're already having okay internet connectivity there. Are you getting internet connection as well as basic browsers are already there here with them? Are you getting? So what they're doing it here, they no need to install my software, they no need to download my software. Those things are not possible there. They have already internet access. Are you getting? Just I'm going to deliver my software to those customers and they are going to access it. They are going to use it here. They are going to use it here. Are you able to see my screen or not? Everyone, can you hear me, guys?
Yes, sir, I can hear you, sir. And your
Can you
screen
see my
visible, sir.
screen or not?
Yes, yes, sir.
Kishore, it's me, Vijay. I'm not able to see the screen. I don't know. Is it something from my side? I'm not sure. So I joined little late, and I'm not able to see. I see a blank screen, but I can hear your audio.
Do one thing there here. Just check with your internet connectivity there.
Okay.
Okay, right. Okay, guys. So what happened here? Every customer can open the Gmail. See, every device customer, that may be a laptop, that may be a tablet, or that may be a desktop, or that may be mobile. Everyone can access it here. No need of installation, no need of downloading the software. These are not needed there. Just as a owner, I'm delivering it, and they are going to use it here. Yes. That is nothing but the on demand. Are you getting? See, man, what is happening? What is the overall concept of this one? If any software is satisfying every device customer, okay, any software, if it is satisfying every device customer, are you getting, that will comes under the cloud computing technologies there. So that cloud computing technology means it is going to satisfy okay every device customer. That may be a software, that may be platform, or that may be a server, anything. You can take a storage area, but it is going to satisfy the every device customer. So cloud computing technologies will comes under the on demand. Are you getting or not? Java or .NET, are you getting? Some other MS Office, all will comes under the on premise. Okay, if you want to use those, you should need download process and the installation process. They need both. They need this. Are you getting me? That's the meaning of this. And coming to Salesforce. Hello guys, can you hear me? From Monday onwards, you have the session at 8 o'clock. And one more thing is there. Um, Before you finish this demo session there, please send your email IDs in the chat box. Okay, so that the people will copy it. Okay, man. We will discuss one thing there here. Try to understand this. We are going to start here. This what exactly the meaning of the Salesforce, right? Look at that. We have look at here. Keep your concentration there. We have the client like this. Okay, we have the client like this. Look at that. They are the clients. Okay, we have the client like this. We can say the name of the client is any name. You can use it here. This any name, like what you can say. We are going to say it here. This. I'm going to use it here. This. The name of the client is there. Like what we can say. We'll see. The name of the client is Sony. For example, Sony is the client. I'm taking it here, right? And we have one more thing, like if they are the clients, if they started the business here, this, okay, and this client is having like the number of customers there throughout the world. This client is having the number of customers there, okay. If the client is having the number of customers, right, this client wants to interact with their customers there, because we can say the Sony is the client, as they have what we can say, they have the business process, and they started the manufacturing on their business. For example, it is a manufacturing business, okay. After that, what they need to do, once their products are ready there, they need to interact with their customers, okay. They need to sell these products to their customers there, and they need to interact with their customers there actually. How they can interact with the customers there, how it is possible. Some customers are there in India, some customers are there in USA, some customers are there in UK, okay. Like that, thousands and we can say millions of customers are there for the client. How they can interact with them? How they can interact with them? See, the customers are there like this here. We can say here is one customer, okay. Okay, here we have one customer there, like we can say, here we have the one customer like this. Here we have the one customer. Here we have another customer. Here we have another customer. Like this, we have the customers are there. Okay. Sony is the client, we can say it here. And this company, this client is selling their products to those customers. How they can sell it here is, okay. They want to sell the products to the customers like this here. Okay. How they can interact with them? Is there another way? The client cannot carry their products. The client cannot carry their products, and they cannot interact with the customers there. Okay. For example, it is a Sony. We can say the customers are like Bajaj Electronics is one of the customer to the Sony, and we can say Chroma Stores is another customer to Sony there here, and the Sono Vision is another customer to Sony there here, right? But Sony is the client. What the client is doing it here exactly? What the client is doing there is we need to understand there. Okay, suppose, okay, if the client is manufacturing their products there, they need to interact with the customer, they need to chat with the customer, they need to make a call with the customer, they need to okay, say take the feedback from the customer, okay. They need to provide a good service to their customers, they need to sell their products to the customers. Every time the main mode of the customer is to interact with the main mode of the client is to interact with their customers there, and they want to make a potential business with the customer there. Okay, to do that, how they can interact with their customer? What is the way? What is the possible way that they can interact with their customer? Okay, yes, they have the possible way to interact with the customer by using a software. By using a software. What is the name of the software here is? Now the software is there here. We can say simply, okay, the software is there. Here we can take the software. Okay, the name of the software that they are using it is, okay, Salesforce. Are you getting me? Okay, here we can say that here it is a software, Salesforce software is there. Okay, by using the software, the client Sony can interact with their customers there. Okay, it is Salesforce CRM there here. Salesforce CRM, they can use it here. Are you getting? So between the client and the customer, a software is used, okay, because the client wants to interact with their customer there, okay. In between the customer and the client, okay, they are using the software. This will help them to interact with their customer, That is the meaning of the Salesforce. Why the Salesforce use means here? Okay, Salesforce can be used. It is a inbuilt software. Are you getting? It is an inbuilt software, right? That contains many inbuilt business functionalities on sales operations, service operations, marketing operations. Are you getting? And the patient-doctor interaction operations, means health cloud operations. Are you getting? Pharma operations. Many business inbuilt functionalities are already there inside the Salesforce, right? So this functionalities will help the client to interact with their customers. Interact with their customers. That is nothing but the Salesforce. It is a Salesforce. Are you getting? Salesforce CRM. CRM means here customer relationship management. We can use it. Okay. Customer relationship management. We can use it here. This customer relationship management. We can use it here. So that will help them. Okay. To interact with their customer. Sorry. To interact with their customer. That is nothing but the Salesforce here. He asked me the question there. Okay, how this Salesforce? See, man, first thing I would like to say it here is one thing that is look at here is we have the Salesforce here. This are you getting me? We have the Salesforce here. Salesforce, see me, look at man. Salesforce.com is the company actually there. Salesforce.com is the a company that they're using it here. This right. This company is co-founded by Mr. Mark Benioff in the year 1999. Okay, right? Are you getting me? Okay, Salesforce.com is the company. Okay, that company is co-founded by right Mr. Mark Benioff here. This got it? And this company, right? This company is having a software called Salesforce CRM. Okay, Salesforce.com is the company, and the Salesforce CRM is the software that they are using it here. This are you getting? This Salesforce CRM is developed by Mr. Mark Benioff. Current CEO of this company is Mr. Mark Benioff. Only here is what he's doing. He prepared the software there. Are you getting or not? This software he means this software. He started the software and he completed the software and finally he set up the software in the cloud. He set up the software in the cloud there. Here this. Are you getting me? He set up the software in the cloud like this. Means what they did here this. Means what they did means okay. Just after preparing the software, just they set up the software in the cloud here this. Are you getting? From this cloud, I said already, the definition of the cloud computing, I said already there here this. From this cloud, okay, they are going to deliver the software to the clients. Are you getting? The same thing there. It is a Salesforce, Salesforce.com. It is Salesforce.com. Are you getting? The Salesforce.com is having the Salesforce CRM software. Just they are going to set up the software, okay? Just they're going to set up the software, okay, in the cloud there. They're going to set up the software in the cloud, okay? We have the cloud there. Here, this they're going to set up the software in the cloud, okay? And from that cloud, they're going to deliver that software to the multiple clients. One of the client we can say Sony, okay, and another client we can say Schneider Electric. Like this, multiple clients are there, okay? In every industry, we can say like pharma industry or any household industry, or we can say that different, we can say some other any electronics and electrical and electronics industries. In every industry, the Salesforce, they are using the Salesforce there here because if they want to make potential revenues are getting a high level revenues, they want to interact, they want to see, okay, they need to use the Salesforce there. So it will help them to interact with their customers effectively. Are you getting me? That is the meaning of the Salesforce thing here. Okay. So Salesforce.com is the company. In this company, a software called Salesforce CRM is there that they are going to set up this Salesforce CRM. Okay. And they are going to set up this software Salesforce CRM in the cloud. From this cloud, they are going to deliver to the clients like this. How they can deliver it? That's the question. Yes, it is a Salesforce CRM. How they are going to deliver to the customer? That is also one of the thing there here. How they can deliver it means we have some services, man. Usually, okay, we have some services are there. Okay, they are using those services. We have some services are there here. What are the services are there here? Okay, the first service is there, man. SaaS service. Are you getting? What is the meaning of the soft service here? Software as a service they have there, and another service there, PaaS service there here. PaaS means platform, okay, as a service there. Okay, and the third service there, man, IaaS service there, infrastructure as a service there. Means these are the service they're using it here. Okay, if they want to deliver the software, In this case, you can see here, if they want to deliver the software, they're here. Are you getting me? If they want to deliver the software, okay, to these clients, okay, how they are going to deliver it means here, because they want to deliver the only software there here. How they can deliver means here, right? See, SAP is also a CRM tool, but what is the difference between SAP and Salesforce? See, Salesforce is providing solutions to many. Are you getting or not? And Salesforce is totally, it is a multi-tenancy architecture it contains. Okay, the individual firm, okay, cannot use this Salesforce there. Are you getting? Many, are you getting? It's a multi-tenancy architecture there. And there have the many products in Salesforce to interact with the specific business process there. Are you getting? That's the main difference we can say, right? So what I said here is how they are delivering this software Salesforce CRM to this clients means here. They are using it here, okay? A software called a service called software as a service. Through this service, they can deliver the Salesforce CRM. Are you getting? They can see, man. So Salesforce.com. Salesforce.com is the company there is. Okay. That company is having, right? Salesforce.com is the company that is having the Salesforce, okay, CRM, okay, is a software. Okay, that software is already there in the cloud. Okay, it is already there in the cloud here. Okay, it is already there in the cloud. From this cloud, what they do, they are going to deliver it to the, okay, clients, right? Those who started the business, those who are willing to start the business, they hear this. Okay, how they're going to deliver it here, man? By using SaaS service. By using SaaS service, they're going to deliver to the clients. That is the thing. Are you getting? So the clients are having the interaction with this customers there. Are you getting or not? So how the clients can receive this Salesforce CRM is through this SaaS service, software as a service, okay, in the form of a software, okay, that is a service there. The clients can receive, okay, means that this software can be delivered, okay, to the clients through the service there here. Not only that, okay, not only this one there. We have the PaaS service, platform as service, means they're going to deliver the platforms through cloud. And infrastructure means we can say data storage, or we can say servers that can be delivered through, okay, IaaS service there. We have the IaaS service, and the platforms can be delivered through this PaaS service there. So like that, okay, like that, the end customer, we can say it here, this, okay, end customer can get the interaction from the clients through this software called Salesforce CRM. Are you getting? That is the meaning of this. That is the meaning of, that is nothing but the, we can say that is the meaning of the Salesforce there, right? You can see, if you compare the cloud computing and Salesforce, the seems both are same there. Are you getting or not? Everything can be get delivered from the cloud only there. That is the meaning of course, the Salesforce CRM, okay, CRM means customer relationship management, means how the clients can interact with their customers, how the clients can satisfy the customers. That is happened through the CRM technologies, which is embedded with the Salesforce already. Are you getting or not? Right? Means the main mode of the Salesforce, main mode of the CRM is to satisfy the customers. Means client always seeks, okay, the full satisfaction that is provided to the customers there, and then only customers will become the potential customers. Okay, man. And inside the Salesforce CRM, many products are there here. Many products are available there. Are you getting? Many products are there. You can say first one is the Sales Cloud is one product. Service Cloud is another product. Are you getting? And Health Cloud, or we can say Community Cloud is another product. Community Cloud is another product. Community Cloud or Experience Cloud, we can say it. Another thing is there, like Health Cloud is another product. Okay, Financial Service Cloud, Health Cloud is another product. Financial, okay, Service Cloud, Okay, service cloud, financial service cloud is another product. Okay, commerce cloud, okay, is another product. Like this, number of products are available here. Are you getting me or not? Okay, are you getting me? Number of products are available inside this Salesforce CRM. Okay, but now we need to understand here this. Okay, as a trainer, what I need to discuss. First thing is that, man, we need to discuss administration in Salesforce. Administration we need to discuss it. The second thing is there, man. Development we need to discuss it. Third thing is there, man. Lightning or okay, we need to discuss it here. And the fourth thing is there, LWC. More openings are there in LWC, man. LWC means lightning web components. Lightning web components. Are you getting? This month we will discuss there. More openings are there. More and more. Of course, we are not having the openings in the lightning or mostly 1 or 2% only there. But 95% of the openings are there in the lightning web components. Okay. We need to concentrate on this lightning web components. Along this, the development part. What the development part contains like main topics in this one, there Apex programming, right? And we can say SOQL and SOSL and triggers and asynchronous means asynchronous Apex test classes, okay, and the wrapper classes. Wrapper. These are the main topics that we will discuss in the development part. Are you getting me? And administration also contains see configuration. Okay, administration is nothing but the configuration. We are not writing. It's a declarative part there. It's a declarative part. Declarative means we are not writing any code there. Okay, it's a declarative. It's a programmatic. Development is nothing but the programmatic. Okay, it's a programmatic there. Declarative means no coding. Only mouse operations we are doing it. Are you getting? That's administration. It contains many concepts here. It's like administration contains here like a data model, security model, data management model, okay, organization business logics, analytics means reports and dashboards. Many topics are there that we need to keep our concentration on here. Are you getting me or not? And we need to keep a less concentration on the lightning aura, but heavy concentration on this lightning web composition needed. Okay, that's the thing, man. Hello, are you following me? What I'm trying to say?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I understood, sir.
Okay. Any people, those who are unable to understand my session?
Sir, one question. What about the integration, sir? Actually, I heard about the
See,
integration.
integration is a part of the development. Are you getting? Integration is a
Yes,
part of
yes.
the development.
Yes, sir, yes.
Are you getting?
Yes, sir,
Integration
yes.
also there is. Integration also there. I can say REST API and the SOAP API there is. Okay. Are you getting? It's a REST
Yes, sir, yes.
API and the SOAP API, both it cut. Okay. That is also a part of the it is also a part of the development there. Got it, man? Try to understand this. So we have the things like this. So these many things we need to understand as a part of this means in this training areas. Okay, guys. Now the duration you may ask me the duration difference. And we are going to complete this within 2.5 months of time there. Are you getting me? Okay, to find 5 months to I can say here. Yeah, it is more or less we can say 2.5 to 3. We can say it here. The duration contains that. Of course, it is a programmatic. It contains the OOPS concept there. If you want the OOPS concept there, it will take another 10 sessions or 12 sessions extra, or more or less 10 to 15 sessions extra there here. Are you getting? Because the people who are not having the coding knowledge, they need OOPS concept here. Okay. Okay. If you ask me to explain the OOPS concepts there, are you getting? It will take another 15 days extra. It will take it here. This. Okay. If not, it will take 2.5 months exactly there here that we can finish up this concepts. Okay. Object oriented programming. They're the basics or the fundamentals of writing Apex programming languages. We can say it here. Okay, man. As a part of this training, what I can provide the assets. Okay, assets means which will help you. Okay, on getting the and getting knowledge and Salesforce here. What I can provide from my side means I can share the recorded sessions every day. Are you getting? Once the session is completed there, those sessions are going to get delivered to your Google Drive. Are you getting? And that's one thing there. And I'm going to give the instant the doubts clarification in the session itself there. If you want, you can ask me there here. Or if you have the questions, you can ask me in the next session also. You can ask it here. That's your thing that when you want to ask me there, you can ask me there. I will give that clarification there. Okay, another thing is that I'm going to explain you, okay, some of the use cases, because we are not only providing the training there, we are going to provide here placements also there. And we are cracking these profiles so that we know what type of questions they are asking every day. Okay, what type of things they need here is when the panel is asking the question, we are going to see what type of question, what type of answer they are expecting there, and what they need here is. Okay, we are going to know those things there, and we will explain. I'm going to share my experience on cracking the interviews also there here. Okay, of course, we also will crack those interviews there. That's not a problem there. But the thing is there here, okay, you need to do practice every day on Salesforce. And if you're unable to understand this, ask me the questions instantly or immediately. That will help you on understanding the subject. Okay, man. And finally, okay, finally, I'm going to provide you some scenario-based questions also there, which will help you, okay, and cracking the interviews with your own. Definitely that will help you there. Not only questions with the answers also there. Okay, man. Yeah. From my side, today demo is completed. Any questions from your side, you can ask me there. Hello. Can you hear me, guys?
Yeah, Kishore, we are able to hear you.
Yes.
So far it's good, Kishore. Like your content is very clear to me. But I
Yeah.
have one question: is like I don't have prior experience on this OOPS concept and all these things.
Oh,
Uh, how do you think that I would be able to crack the interview in terms of uh, projects without the real time project or something?
see,
I understand like you can provide me with the knowledge about the tool, but when it comes to the interview specifically, they will be looking at like how did you implement in your organization previous something like that. Can you answer that to me?
see, in Salesforce, if anyone says there we have a real-time project means, you don't believe that. Okay. Anyone, any person, those who are providing the projects means they are providing in the Salesforce developer account only there. Okay. So it is better, as per my experience, I'm saying there, it is better to practice. It is better practicing on some real-time use cases, so that it will give you real-time experience how you're working in the project. It will give you that, because see, in other technologies, the interface and the software may be different here, but here in the Salesforce, how the developer account seems in the same manner in real time, the production environment is also seems the same. Both will be the same there. Okay, no need to experience the practical experience and the projects there. That is not possible in Salesforce actually there, because Salesforce is having, if you come to the Sales Cloud, it contains many additions. If you come to the Service Cloud, it contains many additions. If you want to buy this edition and if you want to practice your project on this edition, it is not possible there. It is millions of dollars cost. Are you getting me? What I'm trying to say?
Right,
Okay.
right.
So that is the reason what I'm saying. Okay. You create
Mm-hmm.
the Salesforce developer account, the interface and the functional what you see in the Salesforce developer account, the same thing you're going to face it, same thing that you're going to experience, and the even color and interface are the same thing you're going to experience in real time also there, no doubt. But the thing is, from your side, you do practice separately some real time use cases. What I'm going to provide, you do practice on those things, you can attend the interviews there. Because in
Okay.
interview, definitely they will ask you, explain me the use case, what you developed recently in your project. I'm going to provide
Yep.
that, of course. Okay.
Okay.
Not only that,
Thank you,
some
Kishore.
scenario, yeah. Some scenario based questions also. Okay, they are going to ask you. Okay, I'm going to provide those questions. If you are trying from your side, this is the concept. Only the things that you tried from your side there. But if you ask me to crack that interviews there here, okay, that is different aspect. Are you getting me?
Hmm.
Okay.
Yeah,
Awesome.
I get it.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay, guys. I think no questions. If you have any questions, still you can pose it so that I can clear your doubts.
Hi Kishore, I have
Yes.
one doubt.
Yes.
So, will you provide your trade c- certification or not?
Of course, we have a team. Okay. I will give the interaction with the team. The
Okay,
team will look after you and clear in the certification. PD1,
okay,
Salesforce is required. Platform developer one certification minimum. Okay. Many
okay.
certifications are there. We can do the certification on many things, sir. Are you getting?
Yeah.
So that the thing is, at least PD1 certification is needed. Platform developer one certification is needed. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
we can do it here. This within 1 hour, 1 hour or 2 hours of time, we can finish that certification there. But if you try with your own and writing this certification there, we can provide the dumps to practice multiple choice questions. They all are multiple choice questions. We can provide the dumps to practice, and you start your own preparation. You can write the PD1 certification there. Okay, around the certification cost will be Salesforce is taking you can say $200 per certification and the $36 for tax. And so that's the cost of the certification there. And you have to attempt that. Are you getting me? Hello.
Yes, yes, I got it, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay. Okay. I think I'm expecting no questions. Okay. If you have any other questions, prepare your questions and attend the next session there. Okay. And interact with the institute. So, they said already from Monday onwards that we are having the session at 8 a.m. morning. So please join the session. Okay, guys?
Yeah. Hi, Kishore. Yeah, sorry to get back late.
Yeah, tell me, Abdul.
Uh, Abdul. Yeah.
Yes.
Actually, my background is completely different. Not even a single time I have worked in IT.
Mhm.
So I'm completely into marketing background.
Okay.
So how would I'll be able to get in this like
Tell me
programming
your
language?
graduation. Tell me your graduation.
So mine is hotel management background. So I was passed out in 2004,
Hotel
and
management is also a graduation or a diploma?
it's a graduation from OU, Usmania
If it
University.
is a
It's a 3-year
graduation, that
degree
is
course.
enough. See, we
Okay.
cracked some profiles already, those who completed the hotel management degree. Are you getting?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Salesforce will never look at what is your what is your type of degree there, but whether you have the
Okay.
degree or not. Are you getting it? Whether it's a graduated or not, that they look at.
Okay.
Are you getting?
So even I
That may
have a
be
MBA from marketing too.
okay. That's good.
That's passed out in 2009. So these
Super.
many gaps, how would we able to fulfill all those things?
See, if
And
we have
technically,
the
how
gap,
would
if we have the gap, right?
yeah?
It's a gift from Salesforce. Actually, we can say like that.
Okay.
Are you getting?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
If you have the gap, means more and more package that you want. For example, you have the 9 years of gap. For example, I'm saying
Okay. Yeah, yeah.
within the 9 years of gap, just we are going to putting 4 years of experience on that. Okay,
Okay.
relevant experience will be 4 years, and 1 year any experience on web technologies.
Okay.
Total 5 years. Okay, and the rest of the 4 years, if they ask, I'm into the family business. Okay,
Yes.
and
Yes.
I worked as a teacher in school. These are the two
Okay.
reasons we can say it here. They are the good reasons actually.
Mm-hmm.
And if you come to Salesforce, we can say I said 4 years of experience Salesforce there. Okay, not
Okay.
directly. We should not put 4 years experience on the Lightning Web Component. That is not a good thing. One
Okay.
year on, 1 year on admin development. Okay, 1 year
Mm-hmm.
on Lightning Aura. Okay, and the rest of the 2 years on Lightning Web Components. That's all. And
Okay.
your projects are there on the only Lightning Web Components there now at present. Are you getting me?
Okay.
With the 2 years of
Mm-hmm.
experience, you are going to work on this Lightning Web Component. That's all.
Okay.
So your 4 years of experience, I'm breaking into 3 parts again. It's 1 year on admin development,
Okay.
1 year on Lightning Aura, and another 2 years on Lightning Web Component.
LWC.
LWC there. Got it?
Yeah.
So that's it.
So like
Don't worry.
the coding and all, how deep it will be involved?
Nothing. We will discuss the OOPS concepts already.
Mm-hmm.
We'll discuss the
So
OOPS
will
concepts.
that be from the scratch? Because
Yeah, from the beginning there, right?
Mm.
From the basics. Are you getting from? We are going to start it from the variables. Variables. Are you getting data types? Okay, from there we will start in the OOPS concepts there. Are you getting?
Okay. Like
Up to
all
up
these
to encapsulation, abstraction, encapsulation. That's a top concept in the OOPS concept. Right.
Mhm. So these are completely first time I'm hearing all these words. So that's why.
Okay. No, no, no,
Okay.
no. But the thing is, everyday practice is mandatory. Okay.
Yeah, the effort should be from my end too. I
Yeah.
understand that.
Yes.
Yeah, fine. Thank you, Kishore.
Okay. Yeah. Bye bye. See you guys. We'll meet in the next session. Okay.
Yeah, thanks. Sir.
Thank you.